What's going on YouTube? Marcus Czar. Got another video, and today, man, we're talking about Ren. So for the last couple of days, man, let me just back up a little bit. So past couple of days, been behind the scenes just watching, the whole space of crypto. And last couple of days, cryptocurrencies, especially altcoins, has been taking off. Ren is one of them. Ren is one of my favorite projects, DeFi. So go to CoinGecko.com, CoinGecko, or CoinMarketCap.com, where you can see all your different cryptocurrencies and see the rankings and where they're being currently traded at as far as their price. Just get some data. And what I do, I go to DeFi, right? DeFi is the space. I call DeFi the honey pot of crypto, right? This is where all the money is going to be flooding in, because people want to earn interest on their cryptocurrency. People want to make passive income on their cryptocurrencies, and DeFi is making all those things happen on top of Ethereum's blockchain, right? Okay, so this is very, very key right here. So we got the DeFi market cap. It dropped a little bit, back on January 11th. It was down to 25 billion, and then it started to climb back up again to where we're currently sitting at now at $33.3 billion as far as the market cap as a whole in this space. And keep an eye on this number, because this will continue to go up to 100 billion, to a half a billion, hopefully to a trillion. I'm marking that to $1 trillion. Will that happen overnight? Of course not. It won't happen overnight, but over time, I feel like this number will start to go up, because very, very low, especially because because it's new. A lot of people don't know that they can make passive income on their crypto, but me and my subscribers are going to know about it. Okay, so total value locks. So total value locks just means that how much money do people have locked in these smart contracts, right? So smart contracts is just a computer program, computer code that just says, hey, do these instructions. That's all a smart contract is. I'll dive deeper into that on future videos, but this is just total value locked inside these smart contracts, and this is a number that will continue to grow as well. So pay attention to this. So two numbers you need to pay attention to. Okay. All right, so we're in DeFi. Chainlink is the king in the DeFi space right now. It's currently trading at $20.34. And as we scroll down, we got Ren. So Ren is ranked number 13th, and Ren actually hit I want to say all-time high that Ren has hit around about 70 cents, because I was watching Ren, and I don't have Ren. I actually sold my Ren for Algorand. This cryptocurrency right here, Algo, 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 and I still won either way, because Algo did go up when I pretty much transferred my Algo for Ren, right? Because of Algo's API that's being advertised on Coinbase. And if you guys don't have a Coinbase, go ahead and sign up for a Coinbase account. It's free. Use my link that's in the comments below, so you guys can claim your free $10. Coinbase is saying $5, but if you use my link, you get an extra $5. So you get $10 in Bitcoin, and I get $10 in Bitcoin as well. So go ahead and go on Coinbase and sign everything up. And if you guys don't know how to do this, go ahead and watch my video. Go to my YouTube channel, and you can see the video on Coinbase and how to set everything up. Okay, so Ren. So I really like Ren because of what Ren is trying to do. So Ren protocol, right? You can look at this and get a more understanding of what Ren is. But what Ren is trying to do is, it's in DeFi. Ren is trying to make people convert, mainly, like, you got other cryptocurrencies you could do this for, but mainly like Bitcoin, right? So Bitcoin. So a lot of people have Bitcoin, and a lot of people is not making money on their Bitcoin. People just have their Bitcoin in their wallets and anticipation that Bitcoin will go up. I believe Bitcoin won't go up. Bitcoin is currently at $34,000. It will continue to go up over time. I really believe that. So what Ren VM is trying to do, right? This is the service called Ren VM. So what you do with your Bitcoin, you convert your Bitcoin into a ERC20 token, this is just a framework for Ethereum's blockchain, right? All right, just follow along. So when you convert your Bitcoin into an ERC20 token, you get into this DeFi space, right? DeFi, the DeFi sector is all built on top of Ethereum's blockchain, not built on top of Bitcoin's blockchain. Bitcoin is a blockchain of itself. Ethereum is a blockchain of itself. Tron is a blockchain of itself. Polkadot is a blockchain of itself, right? All these different blockchains, right? And you can build on top of it. But Ethereum is the leader when it comes to all these other cryptocurrencies being built on top of Ethereum, because Ethereum just makes it easier to develop on top of. And Bitcoin just mainly was created for currency, right? The buy and sell thing and hold it as a store of value, right? For Bitcoin. Ethereum took a different approach. So what Ren is trying to do, and this is really big, like I was saying, people want to make passive income on their Bitcoin, right? And not just hold it, right? People can hold it and hopefully the value of Bitcoin will go up, and at the same time they're making a passive income while they're holding, and hopefully the predictions come true. So that's what Ren is trying to do. And I have a illustration of Ren right here. So original blockchain will, for example, will be Bitcoin, right? So we all got Bitcoin. Say we got Bitcoin, and this is Ren BM, the service that Ren is offering to convert your Bitcoin into ERC20, so you can operate on Ethereum's blockchain, so you could get involved in the DeFi space of Ethereum, so you can make passive income, earn interest on your crypto or lend your crypto, so you can make money, right? That's kind of the whole point of Ren and what Ren is trying to do in this DeFi space. And I think this is huge, man. This is really huge what Ren is trying to do. And you could do this not just for Bitcoin. I think you could do it for Zcash and Bitcoin Cash. So those are the only cryptocurrencies that Ren supports right now, but this will continue to be supported for other crypto like Litecoin and Tron and other cryptocurrencies down the list, right? When will that happen? I don't know, but Ren right now is definitely it's offering something of value in this DeFi space. And as you guys can see, you probably seen this as well. So you got something called Wrap Bitcoin, and then you got Ren Bitcoin. So Wrap Bitcoin is a service. It's more of a centralized service where you could do the same exact thing what Ren is trying to do it, but Ren is decentralized, which means that you don't have to go through create an account with your first, last name, email address, and personal information. Ren is fully decentralized compared to what you see with WBTC centralized. So just to throw that out there. But this is what Ren is trying to do. All you got to do is go to renproject.io. and you guys could play with this. I'm doing another video where I actually show you guys how this works, so you guys can hopefully make passive income on your Bitcoin. Something I recommend you guys do. This is a growing space, and you can make money and earn money with your crypto, man. And Ren is trying to do that. And Ren is currently hit its highs of about, before I wrap up this video, about 78 cents that Ren had hit its all-time high. Seemed like it is pulling back just a little bit in the 69 cents range. But Ren, as far as like a long-term play, I will definitely add Ren to my portfolio. I might wait. I would like to get Ren a little bit cheaper price, probably if it could go back to support. So where you see these lines here, let me clear this up real quick so you can show you guys what's going on here. And I am looking at against Ren versus USD, and then I am looking at the 4 hours. So if I go to the 1 day, you guys can see this on a better frame here to see what's going on with Ren. Okay, so Ren was pretty much in this channel here, right? This is support, so this line means support, meaning that this cryptocurrency in the past, right, has been really having this as far as support, right? Once it goes up, it comes down to the support line. So that's why I call it support, which is at 20 cents. And then Ren, as far as resistance, this has been a really tough resistance based on previously around the 58 cents range, and Ren has broke that resistance and it went as high as 77 cents. Now the saying is resistance, right? This top line is resistance, right? Because it hit this price before and got rejected. Hit this price, got rejected. That's why this is called resistance, right? And I can also draw another resistance line before I end this video. and this is another resistance line right here, right? Because it hit this price at 41 cents, then it got rejected and came down to support around 20 cents, 24 cents range, went back up again, got rejected, came down, support, got rejected, and then it didn't get rejected this time. It actually broke through it, and then it started to really break out. So that's just a little thing. I just want to explain what these lines are: support, resistance, and another resistance line on Ren. So I'm really bullish on Ren. It's in the DeFi space. It's currently underneath $1. I really believe Ren go definitely hit over $1. Just to show something in comparison, right? So Ren has a max supply of 1 billion max, circulating supply about 881 million. And then comparison to Polkadot, same thing, about same amount supply, 1 billion, a little bit more. And then Polkadot has a little bit more as far as circulating. And look at Polkadot, it's at $15, right? And Polkadot is not even in a DeFi space, it's a blockchain. Compared to Ren, which is in a DeFi space, has pretty much the same exact circulating supply. It's only at 68 cents. So that's where the opportunity lays for Ren. And like I said, it's in DeFi, and they have total value lock in their smart contract, which is worth about $621 million, and for Ren that is locked up in these smart contracts for Ren. So the money is showing. So the money is there. It shows you, in black and white, that the money is there for Ren. And people are interacting with Ren BM, the smart contract, so you can make passive income and earn interest on your money and get paid on the blockchain, right? With these smart contracts, which is pretty cool. So that's Ren. Do your own due diligence and research on Ren, but Ren, I'm really bullish on Ren, and I'll do an update video on Ren, and so I could buy some as well. So save me some Ren, man. Don't buy up all the Ren underneath $1, because Ren is definitely going. It's more valuable than 68 cents in my opinion. Give this video a thumbs up. Drop a comment. If you don't have a Coinbase account, use my link so you guys get $10 in Bitcoin, so you guys can start your journey. And up till next time, you guys have a great one.